the school year underway, now the flu time is right around the corner, and viruses, they're going to show up among students as always. Well, 7 News reporter Nicole Ford found out how schools monitor the spread of disease and how to educate the students to stay healthy.
In an enthusiastic second grade classroom.
As winter's coming, we're getting more prone to germs and getting infection from the flu and the cold.
It's a hotbed for germs to spread.
Little kids, it's easy. They touch everything. They spread germs. And we have, we can see the population where the kids have a lot more colds.
So activities are set up by Bon Secours St. Francis to teach them how they can stay healthy. Stuffed animals are passed around with an invisible germ powder.
See any germs? Do you see any germs on your hands? Do you see any germs on your hands?
Then the students get to see the powder under the black light and what happened with just a quick touch of the object.
Why do you have it on your nose?
Take it off.
Is that because you did that?
Now, to prevent the spread of these germs, school districts across the upstate have policies when it comes to cleaning.
What we do every day is we always wipe down kind of high traffic areas, so things like doorknobs, stairway railings, water fountains, things like that. We're constantly kind of wiping down.
But when situations get out of control, districts will work side by side with DHEC to do more intense cleanings of the whole school.
The best example of that for District 5 for the last decade was last year at Calhoun Academy of the Arts. We had over 200 students sick at one time and about 24 staff members.
All in all, the first step for the kids is making sure they know how to properly wash their hands and when to do it.
This has to be a routine that we start at a youngest age we can and carry from years to years and remind them too from years to years so they get the good attitude when they get adults.
Nicole Ford, 7 News.
And an important message from a number of healthcare providers: just make sure that you wash your hands. Now, the upstate school districts, they say that if children are feeling sick in any way, to keep them at home so that they don't spread anything to other students.